Good morning, students. Welcome to class. Today we are going to start our unit 5, that is human anatomy and physiology. Okay, as you know, there are 5 chapters in your second semester syllabus from the human anatomy only. So the first chapter of this is nutrition. Okay, it's your 10th chapter. So let's start the chapter. The term nutrition. What is nutrition? You know very well. Nutrition is very important for our lives. Okay. Okay. So nutrition means what does this nutrition means? Nutrition means supplying the essential compounds to our body. Okay. Essential organic and inorganic chemical compounds to our body means the nutrition. Okay. As you know, so many childs born and die due to malnutrition. Okay, if they do not get complete food, okay, if they do not get full nutrition due to malnutrition, so many childs died. Okay, so it contains lots of things like proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates and all. Okay, next is food. What is food? Food is something we eat and we drink. Okay, example, breads, meats, sugar and rice pulses, the things we eat in our daily lives. Okay, what is diet? Okay, these are the small terms you should know about. Okay, the combination of food items which we eat in our meals. Okay, at a time we are eating anything which we are adding in our meal, that is a diet. Okay, what is a balanced diet? If we eating properly anything according to the calories. Okay, if we know that how many amount of calories we are getting from this thing, so the things we are adding in our meal, that is a diet. Okay, so diet is depends on different things like age and sex of the individual. Okay, lifestyle and if like sick persons or pregnant ladies, for them the diet should be different thing. For the athletes, the diet should be different. Okay, for the small childs, the diet should be different. So now meal, what is the meal? Meal is the food taken at one time, okay, to satisfy our appetite. Anything which we are eating to satisfy our appetite, that is a meal. And now what is appetite? Appetite is the urge to eat something. Okay, we crave or we feel hunger. So that time we want to eat something. Okay, so that is the appetite. Okay, so now next there is need of nutrition. Why do we need nutrition? Okay, nutrition is very important for growth, for repair, for energy, for maintenance and for protection. Okay, for growth, as you know, the child born, when the child born, okay, it's very small. According to the time, it grows. Okay, he grows up. Why he grows up? Because as we are taking nutrition, as we are taking food, the bones of the body, the cells of the body increases, muscles of the body increases. That's why the height and growth of the person increases. Okay, so nutrition is very important for the growth. Second thing, for the repair. If our skin or our body part from anywhere, if it's damaged, okay, if we have any damage, so it will be repaired due to nutrition. Okay, we eat good food, we eat milks, we take more proteins when we get sick or when we get damaged from anywhere. Okay, so that time we took more nutrition. For energy, to do any work, to start our day, we must take our meal of full nutrition. Okay, why? Because we need energy for the whole day. Okay, for the working. If we do not take breakfast at the morning time, we will feel weakness the whole day. Okay, because there is lack of energy. Next thing is maintenance for the body. Okay, the persons who take a good meal, okay, who take good nutrition, their body maintenance is something different. Okay, and the persons who are taking normal food, okay, you might have seen in our daily lives, they get old earlier. Okay, next thing is protection of body. Nutrition keeps us body protected. Okay, now next there is class of nutrition. Okay, how many classes there are in the nutrition? There are 6 classes. Okay, total 6 classes: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and water. That means these things, all these things included in the nutrition. If you are taking carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, water, so that means we are taking a good nutrition. Okay. So water is very important for our body. You know very well, 75% of our body is made up of water. Okay. So another thing is carbohydrates, fats. These all things are included in the nutrition. Okay. So today we are going to study about the first class, that is carbohydrates. Okay. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. What are the carbohydrates? These are the compounds of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay. They all carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And they get oxidized in cell to release energy. When we take carbohydrates, like we get carbohydrate from the rice, from the potatoes. Okay, when we eat food at a daytime, then after that we just feel energetic. Why we feel energetic? Because these all things, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in the body, get oxidized in cell and release energy to our body. Then we may able to do any works. Okay. After that, carbohydrates have also types. They have sugar, starch, and cellulose. There are 3 types of carbohydrates: sugar, starch, and cellulose. Okay, sugar, you have seen what is sugar. Sugar, that is sweet in taste. Okay, sugar is found in vegetables and in fruits, most of the fruits. And starch, next is starch. Starch is found in plants. Okay, the potato is full of starch. And cellulose. Cellulose, you know very well, cellulose is found in plants. Okay, the cell wall of the cell of plants is made up of cellulose. So there is first sugar. What is sugar? Sugars are sweet in taste. Okay, sweet in taste, and there are 2 types of sugar: monosaccharide and disaccharide. Okay, monosaccharides have the formula C6H12O6. Okay, and disaccharide have the formula C12H12, C12H22, and O11. So there are monosaccharides like glucose, fructose, and galactose, and disaccharides are sucrose, maltose, and lactose. There are the examples. You have to learn these things. Okay, these are the basic things. Okay, in next session, it's enough for today. In next session, we will study about the next class, that is starch. Okay, today we have done sugar. In next session, we will study about the starch. Thank you.